Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk here with an update on the nails that I applied on my last tutorial. I know it took me a minute to give you guys an update, but y'all know life be lifing, stuff be happening, and this week has been a busy week, but I did not forget about y'all. So let me just let y'all know the nails are still nailing. They are very much still nailing. They haven't bent, they haven't broken, they haven't creased or cracked or anything. Like, they still going strong, and this is day 6. So yes, the nails are still nailing. One thing I am upset about though is that I went on Temu to order me a couple more packs because I just knew everybody was gonna jump on them, and the nails are sold out. Oh my gosh. Womp, 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 womp. Now, I ain't saying that these nails sold out because of me or nothing, but I think that after everybody's seen how bomb I applied these nails, they went on Temu and got them some, which that's okay, sis. But save some for me next time. Let me just show y'all my other hand. Y'all know how I have the cow print on this finger, and then on my other hand I have the black and white flag. So this is my right hand, and yes, y'all see that? They still going strong. The good thing about Temu is that they definitely restock their stuff real quick, especially stuff that sell out real quick or their best sellers. They definitely restock on those items, so I'm sure they'll be available again soon. And this is day 6, and y'all know I do a weekly nail tutorial, and I do not want to take these nails off yet. I don't want to take them off yet. Like, I just love doing this, like, with my hand, like. Just for no reason, just. Y'all know I'm a little crazy, but not just playing. But no, for real. So, I am going to do another set, probably on Sunday or Monday, like. I gotta have these nails on for a couple more days. Just give me a couple more days, y'all. Promise I will do another nail tutorial, okay? But I just want to enjoy these a couple more days. Okay, I think I'm blocking somebody's driveway. Like, she looking at me crazy. But anywho, let me hurry up and do my video because I'm in front of somebody's house, and I don't think they want me to be parked in front of their house. They don't own this street. So yeah, that's my update on these nails. Yeah, they still nailing, going strong. I have some tutorials that I'm gonna work on this coming week, so I got some new content coming. I got some hauls coming up, nail hauls and hair. Just y'all make sure y'all got y'all post notifications on. Make sure you got that notification bell on so you don't miss anything that's coming. Thank you guys so much for watching and always showing me love, Chalk Nation. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.